Hello everyone, welcome back to INFOMINUTES. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to restart your computer without a mouse or trackpad. Most people may already know this method. Press and hold the Alt key and press F4 key. This key combination will close all active applications. Depending on some laptop models, you may need to press and hold the FN key to use function keys. Repeat the process to close all applications. At last, Shutdown window will appear on the screen. Use the directional arrow keys to select Restart and hit Enter. This method is known for few people. Press Windows key plus X key, then use arrow keys to select Shutdown or Sign Out, and press Enter. Then, using the arrow keys, navigate to Restart and press Enter. I hope you enjoyed the video and learned a new trick. Thanks for checking this out. I'll see you in the next video.